Hello student, in this video we will be learning about entropy. See the next one, the next parameter is entropy. Entropy is denoted with students H. What is the units for entropy, sir? It is nothing but bits per sample, or we can also write bits per message also. Of course, the message we are sending as a samples only, na? So bits per sample or bits per message also you can write. What is entropy, sir? Entropy means it is a measure of average information. What is entropy, sir? It's a measuring of average information. Entropy is very important. Number of times the questions are coming. Now follow. What is the entropy formula? H equal to, it is nothing but summation I equal to 1 to n. The meaning is there are n messages are there or n events are there. Probability into its information. Probability into its information itself is called entropy. That is nothing but summation I equal to 1 to n P of xi into this value is nothing but log of 1 by P of xi. We already seen in the previous. So, or you can also write minus of summation I equal to 1 to n P of xi into log P of xi also I can write. Base is 2 only, students. Because we are measuring information bits per sample or bits per message. So if you write minus, you can write in the numerator, or otherwise any one of the formula you can remember. It's a regular question. Let's take for example, we are having one transmitter. For example, we are having one transmitter. This transmitter is transmitting three symbols like x1, x2, x3 and so on, students. For example, the probability of the symbol x1 is 1 by 4, probability of the symbol x2 is 1 by 2, and probability of the symbol x3 is another 1 by 4, for example. Then let's calculate the what is average information, or let's calculate what is entropy. That is entropy equal to, how many symbols are there? 3 symbols. So n equal to 1, 2, 3 you need to take. So 1, 2, 3 means what will be there? Summation I equal to 1, 2, 3 P of xi into log 1 by P of xi. Then this is nothing but P of xi into, expand P of x1 into log 1 by P of x1 plus P of x2 into log 1 by P of x2 plus P of x3 into log 1 by P of x3. Getting my point? Just I expanded. Then follow. What is this value given? 1 by 4 into log 1 by 1 by 4. So log 4, base always 2 only, plus 1 by 2 into log 2 base 2 plus 1 by 4 into log 4 base 2. What is this value, students? 2. So 2 by 4, this value 1. So 1 by 2 plus this is also 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. So all are 1 by 2 means its value is nothing but 3 by 2 bits per sample or bits per message also you can write that. So first problem means I taken a very lengthy manner like expanding and I substituted all the values. So simply how to calculate entropy I given here. Are you understand my point? So entropy is nothing but measure of average information. Entropy is nothing but a measure of average information. Its formula is summation probability into its information. How many events are there? That many you can add. Then you will get an average how many bits we are sending per sample will come. Clear? Yeah. Let's take for example, we are having a two transmitters. This transmitter is generating a symbol x1, x2. That is also some x1, x2. Like two symbols it is generating. Now, if it is generating two symbols, for example, the probability of a here x1 symbol is 1 by 2. Probability of x2 symbol also 1 by 2. Then calculate entropy. Here x1 symbol probability is 1. X2 symbol probability is 0. There also calculate entropy. In both cases, what we are doing? We are calculating entropy. From the result, we will get one interesting things. So what is entropy? Is nothing but probability into log 1 by 1, log 1 by probability. That is log 1 by 1 by 2 means log 2 base 2. So 1 by 2 into log 2 base 2. How much you will get? Here 1 by 2 into 1. Here 1 by 2 into 1. 1. What's the units? Bits per sample I written there. Bits per message I written, or bits per symbol also you can write. For each and every symbol and average how much we are sending. Are you getting my point? Bit per symbol also we can write the entropy units. Here calculate entropy. What's the entropy here? Probability into log of 1 by 1 by 1. Log 1 base 2 plus 0 into anything you can say 0. So what's the value you will get here? 0. Units are bits per symbol. So here if you see the both cases, in this case we got 1. In this case we got 0. Means from those two situations, students, what you understand, don't say as a mathematics. Don't say as a mathematical. Try to understand the concept of what you observed from those. What you observed from those two situations. For example, the two cases I can take as an experiment of tossing a coin. Here the coin is a fair coin. Probability of head, probability of tail, both are same. Are you understand my point? If both, because in a fair coin both are same. Now, if you toss that coin, can you say what is the exact output? A fair coin is tossed. Then can you know what is the exact output? Here comes. Here also tossing a coin only. But here both sides head only. So the probability of head is 1 given. Probability of tails is given 0. Now we are having a coin which is having both sides head only. If you toss that coin, what is the output? If you toss that coin, what is the output? Please tell me. Obviously head down. Means in these two situations where we have ambiguity or uncertainty in deciding or to knowing what is the output. Where is the maximum uncertainty in deciding the output? In this situation we are having the maximum uncertainty whether it will come head or tail. But here we don't have any uncertainty. Directly the output is head. Means entropy, this entropy is not only measure of average information. Entropy is a measure of uncertainty. When we have the maximum uncertainty, sir, whenever all symbols are having equal probability of occurrence. If all symbols are having equal probability of occurrence, then entropy itself is maximum. What is that maximum value? Is also called maximum uncertainty. So the uncertainty will be existed. What will come next? Are you getting my point or not? So always entropy value is less if the probabilities are, all probabilities of events or symbols are not equal when compared to equal case. So the 2 points you need to understand that the entropy will be maximum, or I can say this is H max. Are you getting my point? When if all symbols are having equal probability of occurrence. Different means obviously some different values will come. Here why we got the 0? Because there is no thinking of it, because always head only will come. Are you got my point or not? Yeah. Let's take for example, we are having one source which is generating 3 symbols x1, x2, x3 and so on. What is the probability of x1 is given, students? 1 by 3. Probability of x2 as well as x3 also given 1 by 3. Then calculate the average information or calculate the maximum uncertainty, that is H max. Now follow. What is the entropy formula? We know summation I equal to 1 to n probability into log of 1 by probability. Expand first value 1 by 3, log 1 by 1 by 3. So log 3 base 2. Next, also 1 by 3 into log 3 base 2. 1 by 3 into log 3 base 2. Are you getting my point or not? Then this is nothing but 3 terms are there. So can I write directly log 3 base 2? The meaning is here, if all are having equal probability, you will get the maximum uncertainty or H max. Simply H max value, H max. What is the H max value you got? Log 3 base 2 bits per symbol or message or sample, anyway you can write that. So here, what is the value of the H max? We got log 3 base 2 because there are 3 symbols are there. So that's why you got log 3 base 2. In the previous example, we taken 2 symbols. So you can say log 2 base 2 we got. So that's why 1 bit per symbol you got. Are you getting my point or not? Means from these 2 conclusions, what you need to understand, students? If 3 symbols are there, all are having equal probability, then entropy is no need of calculation, directly log 3, of course base 2. If 2 symbols are there, log 2 base 2. If 4 symbols are there, simply log 4. 5 symbols are there, log 5, like and so on. For example, if the source is having students m symbols, all are having equal probability of occurrence. All are having equal probability of occurrence means the probability of x1 symbol, probability of x2 symbol, probability of xm symbol, all are same. All are same means 1 by n. Then what is the probability? Then what is the entropy? If all are having equal probability, then entropy itself is H max. That value is simply log m, of course base 2 bits per symbol. So when we are getting the maximum certainty or maximum entropy, all are having equal probability of occurrence, and what is that value? Simply log of how many symbols are there, that many. If 2 symbols are there, log 2. 4 symbols are there, log 4. M symbols are there, log m. See the next problem. For a binary system, binary means how many symbols? 2. Draw the graph between entropy and probability. Entropy H versus probability graph is asking. For what? For a binary system. Binary system means how many symbols, sir? 2 symbols. If you take both are 0, then entropy also will be 0. In those 2 symbols, if you take a probability value 1, then at that place also will be 0. What is the entropy formula? Entropy equal to summation I equal to 1 to 2 P of xi into log 1 by P of xi. That is the entropy formula. Here, why I taken 2? Because it is a binary system they given. For example, if one symbol probability, if I take P, What is another simple probability? Obviously 1 minus p, because total probability is 1. So this is nothing what I can say, let us assume p into log 1 by p plus 1 minus p into log 1 by 1 minus p. Are you getting my point? Now, how to calculate the, directly also I can draw the graph. I think will be there. By substitution in the formula, you can also directly get the things. How? At 0, its values will be 0. At 1 also 0. Now you can substitute. As the probability is increasing from 0 to 0.5, it attains the maximum value, just like a mathematical. And from 0.5 to, if you are going towards 1, probability will becoming as a, entropy is becoming as a 0. So you will get it's not like a line going through origin, because it's a log means just like a parabolic type of shape will come. So max value will be where you will get at 0.5. And what is this value will come? Substitute 0.5. If both symbols are 1 by 2, 1 by 2, then how much you will get? 1 only. How you will get that 0.5 also as a mathematically also I will derive as a just like a trial and error based also you can get it, or mathematically also I will show you how you will get. How to calculate the maximas and minimas? Differentiate, equal to 0, get the roots, substitute in that. Differentiate with respect to probability. So dh by dp and equal to 0. Then what you will get? Minus ln of 2, that I am writing it, plus log p plus ln of 2 plus log 1 minus p. Now, minus of log p. Log a will be na, just differentiate with respect to p. ln means base e, log means base 2. Here the base is 2. Are you getting my point? Now, if you equal to 0, then what you will get? Log p equal to log 1 minus p. Then p equal to 1 minus p. Then p value is 1 by 2. So, we are getting the roots are 1 by 2. Substitute the root value in the expression. If you substitute the root value in the expression, 1 by 2 log 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 log 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. So, 1 by 1 by 2. So, log 2 base 2 here also. So, how much the value will come? 1. So, the maximum value will be 1. Where we are getting that maximum value? At 1 by 2, 0.5. Like that also you can do. Or just like by taking different values also, you can understand by taking 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 like that. Why I did like a parabolic shape? It's a log of them. So this is a graph between entropy as well as probability of a binary system. See the next problem. This is also ESC 19 question. A source produces 3 symbols ABC with the probabilities P of A is 1 by 2, P of B is 1 by 4, P of C is 1 by 4. The source entropy is the common problem asking in ES examination calculation of entropy. Even in the gate also see 2 marks question is coming on the entropy. Formula is same, but the style of asking the problems will be different. Here they given some slightly options are different. BPS means bit per symbol or bit per message. What is the entropy formula? We know entropy is nothing but summation I equal to 1 to n, but 3 symbols are there. P of xi into log base 2 1 divided by P of xi. Substitute the things. What is the probability of the first symbol given? 1 by 2 into log 1 by 1 by 2, log 2. Second symbol 1 by 4 into log 1 by 1 by 4, log 4. Third symbol 1 by 4 into, because probability into that. So this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into 2 plus 1 by 4 into 2. This is nothing but 3 by 2 bit per or bits per symbol or message also you can say. 3 by 2 means see the options. Which option? Obviously, first two are not. What is this value? 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1. 5 by 4. Not. 2 plus 1. 3 by 2. So, option D is the correct one. The same model we already done, but slightly they given options are in a different manner. The calculation of entropy is a common model in GATE and ESC. Number of possibilities are there. Try to solve number of possible problems on entropy. See the next problem. A source produces 26 symbols with equal probabilities. The average information produced by the source options are option A less than 4 bits per symbol, option B 6 bits per symbol, option C 7 bits per symbol, option D between 4 bits per symbol and 6 bits per symbol. What is the average information means? Entropy. Here will also get H value will be itself is H max also you can call, because all are having equal probability. Then what is that value? Log m base 2. I told here m means there are 26 symbols are there. 26 means I can write this is in between, 26 is in between 2 power 4 to 2 power 5, or given 6 means you can also say 2 power 6. In between that is available. Means if it is 2 power 4 means 4 bit per symbol, 2 power 6 means 6 bit per symbol, 2 power 4 means 16, this is 64. Are you getting my point? So 26 will be in between. So information also in between 4 to 6 bits. The same model on the entropy with a different level. But he is asking all are equal probability. So log m base 2 only. And he given options slightly in a different manner. See the next problem. A discrete source S1 has 4 equiprobable symbols. Equiprobable symbols, while the discrete source S2 has 16 equiprobable symbols. When the entropy of these sources is compared, entropy of option A, S1 is greater than S2, S1 is less than S2, S1 is equal to S2, option D depends on the rate of symbol per second. Rate of symbol per second. What is the entropy of a first source? The entropy of the first source is nothing but 4 equiprobable symbols. So log 4 base 2, that will be 2 bits per symbol. What is the entropy of a source S2? Is nothing but log 16 base 2, 4 bits per symbol. Are you getting my point or not? So these are the two we got. Now you can see the entropy of S1 is less than the entropy of S2. So option B, S1 is less than S2. The same problem based on the entropy only, but a slightly the different way of asking. I am showing all the possibilities of asking the problems on entropy. See the next problem. It is a assertion relation type of question. Options are not given. We already know the options. What is assertion? Entropy of a binary source is maximum if the probabilities of occurrence of both events are equal. Binary source means 2 symbols. Both are equal means each of 1 by 2, 1 by 2. When we have the maximum entropy, when all symbols are having equal probability of occurrence. I already draw the graph between entropy to probability of a binary source. How the graph is came? Probability versus entropy. Like that. Its maximum value is 1 at 1 by 2 we got. See the reason. The average amount of information per symbol is called entropy. The average information per symbol is called entropy. That is true. But what is the relation between these two? There is no relation. Here, they given definition of entropy. Here he told that entropy is maximum if all symbols are having equal probability. Both are correct statements only, but there is no relation between the both. Why we are getting the H max? Because entropy is also called uncertainty. We will have the maximum certainty when all symbols are having equal probability. If all are having equal probability, just like a tossing a coin, both head and tail equal probability, so we don't know predict what will come exactly in the next. Are you getting my point? Because of equal probability. Have you got my point? So what is the first option? assertion, reason both are correct. Reason is a correct explanation for assertion, but here reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. So option B. What is option B? Assertion, reason both are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. S. So you need to go for option B. What is option C and C? It's a standard. C is assertion is correct, reason is wrong. D, assertion is wrong, reason is correct. Normal 4 options only. Both are correct statements only, but reason is not a correct explanation for assertion.